How to pin comments on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to pin comments on Instagram, first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and select any of the posts that you would want to pin the comments for. So I'm going to select on a particular post over here. Here you can see the comments. So let's tap on the comments section over here. So as you do that, you'll be able to see all the comments. Now, you can simply make a long press on the comment that you want to pin. So for example, if I want to make a long press on one of these comments, make a long press and simply you can see the option of pin. So tap on pin, and as you do that, you'll be able to see this pinned mark on the particular comment. So that's how you can pin comments on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.